Let's wait for a minute too so everyone can join. Would love to hear where are you at the moment? Where are you joining for this webinar? Hi, Chris Chit Chat. Welcome. Hi, Luis. So we can start, I guess. So, hey everyone, welcome. I'm Eren, product manager at Mini-Course Generator. Thank you for joining. My also teammate will be on the chat, so feel free to drop your questions there as we go, and I'll try answer them at the end. So we built something at Mini-Course Generator that I want to show you today. It's called MCP, Model Context Protocol, which is let your AI tool, Cloud, ChatGPT, or Codex, whatever you use, talk directly to Mini-Course Generator, not copy-paste. The AI actually builds the course inside Mini-Course Generator, the pages, quizzes, interactive activities, images, videos, all of it. And while we are building it, we kept asking ourselves, is this the shift? Is this the moment where course creation actually changes? Not just gets a little faster, but fundamentally changes? We are calling this product as the first agentic LMS in the world. The idea is simple actually. The best educators of the next decade won't be the ones who make the content. They will be the ones who direct the agents that do. And isn't just about creating courses faster. The agent can pull from your existing material, your Confluence documents, your Notion pages, your Google Drive files, and turn it into a structured course. It can add interactive activities like branching scenarios and drag and drop exercises. It can generate narrated videos. It can even build 3D interactive SCORM packages. And after the courses live, it can review learner performance and update weak lessons on its own. And for this webinar, this is just the course generation part. We are building it so you will be able to see your learners directly from Cloud or ChatGPT, send them emails, or analyze their progress, all without leaving your AI tool. So let me just share my screen right now and let's start the demo. So on the first part of the webinar, I will show you how you can connect Mini Course Generator MCP with the AI tool you use. It can be Cloud, it can be ChatGPT or Codex. If you are not familiar with Codex, it's agent tool of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has some limitations like creating interactive activities and videos. So if you prefer ChatGPT over Cloud, you can use Codex. So your subscription or same account will continue with the Codex. It's ChatGPT's agent tool. So let me start with connecting Cloud. I click the customize on the left sidebar. Click connectors. Let me delete the Course Generator MCP I already have. And click add custom connector. I write Mini Course Generator as name, and for the MCP server URL, I will share our Help Center article. you can find the URL in there. So I will paste it from my clipboard and I click add. It's connected directly, but if you're in your first time, it probably asks you some permissions and asks you to log into your mini course generator account. So let's continue with the ChatGPT browser, and after that I will show you how to connect Codex. I'll change my screen to ChatGPT here, and let me go to settings, apps, and let me first delete my mini course generator MCP so we can connect together. Yeah, so first you need to click advanced settings and open the developer mode, and after that you need to click create app, select mini course generator, and paste our connection URL. I haven't tested too much in ChatGPT, so it may ask me to log in my account. So let's wait and see. It's done. Yeah, it's asking me to log in my account. So let me log in. Your experience will be similar to this in your first time. Yeah, it's done. So let's continue with the codecs configuration. So in codecs, let me go to settings, MCP servers, and let me delete the mini course generator MCP first. And as server name, I will just write MCG. I will choose streamable HTTP. You need to choose that and paste our URL. Yeah, connection is done. Actually, let's test in Codex because I'm not do so much test in Codex and ChatGPT. List my last course. So let's see if the installation is done. Just checking my account course list at the moment. Yeah, it's working. I can also open my last course in the browser, but I need to share that tab with you. No worries. Let's continue with the course generation part. Let me share Cloud screen with you. I'm using Cloud Code mostly because it can generate great interactive activities and videos and more comprehensive courses. I also prepare a prompt, so let me find it. Yeah, it's here. I'll write create a course about introduction to computers. I have a PDF about that topic in my drive. Ask me questions for structure. Also, I forgot to mention, but I connected my Google Drive MCP to Cloud, so Cloud can go to my Google Drive and see my files. And I have a file in there, PDF file about a short short document about computers. It's find the PDF and ask me some questions here for the structure of the course. Let's say audience is students, make standards, include text and images, quizzes and knowledge checks. We don't need video and interactive activities at the moment. We can add after the course is generated because it takes sometimes. And let's say use the PDF as inspiration because it's very limited PDF. I want Cloud use its content to generate a better course. So it actually didn't look at my PDF and it asked me the questions first and looking now for my PDF and it's found. Let's wait to see if Cloud suggests me an outline or it goes the creation process directly. Yeah, it's suggesting a course outline, 6 modules, each with text, image, and lessons. Let's say looks good, and let's say quiz per module. So I guess it started to generate. The generation part can take sometimes 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Also, if you include some videos inside of course or interactive activities, it can take more time. While cloud generation, I prepared some courses before the webinar so I can show you what's possible with AI tool and mini course generator MCP. Let me show you those activities. So I go to my browser and I create the course called Digital Marketing Foundations and I explicitly say Cloud generate 5 or 6 interactive activities for that course. Use your imagination for style of each interactive activity. So let's look them together. So also I asked for generate 2 video for that course, but I will show you them after we look the SCORM activities. So let's dive into course. Let's explore it to find SCORM activities. I find one. There's a marketing funnel, and each time you click a part of funnel, it's show me the description, tactics for that part, the metrics that matter. You can interact with them, and after finish, you see a feedback. And also, if you don't like the interactive activity, you can always go to your AI tool and say change the background color, add a new part to the funnel, etc. So let's continue with the explore. There is another interactive activity. I guess this is drag and dropping. Let's try. And after I dragging and dropping all the tactics to these funnel things, I can check my answers and I can also reset. Let's continue with other page if I can find any different SCORM activity. Let me continue with the second module. Seems like this module more like have content. Yeah, there's another interactive activity. As you see, the brand is always same. So Cloud generates interactive activities in your style. There are flip cards. I can flip all at once and reset if I want. Let's continue to see other interactive activities. Yeah, so this seems promising because there's a example of high converting landing page. My course is about digital marketing and it says there are parts of there. Actually, there's an anatomy of high converting landing page. Let's explore them together. So when I click this part, it writes it's social proof, customer count. This like helps your landing page faces or feels less risky if there is some people who already use this product, etc. Let's continue with other SCORM activities. And I have one more module. Yeah, so there is a time quiz with timer, I guess. I need to answer that question before the time ends. So let's try. Yeah, and the timer resets on every question. And also it saved me aim for 70% for the pass. We have also quizzes in our product mini course generator like this, but it generates a more interactive quiz. It's great. Let's continue. Yeah, we can find another SCORM activity. The actually beauty of SCORM activities, you can see the analytics of your learners. So your learner select this answer, they spent 5 minutes that activity, etc. All of them from your mini course generator dashboard. Let me interact with this activity. I have budget health, conversions, and brand trust score. There are some decisions. When I select the decision, my metrics are changing, and according to the answer I gave, the scenario is changing. So when I give the correct answer, my budget is increasing, etc. This one's really fun. So let me complete this. Perfect. It gives me the feedback also when I finish the interactive activity. Claude pings me, so let's see if Claude finished the course. Say yes, you can view the course and a few notes. Let's read them. I added some AI generated images, okay. Quiz answers are shuffled. I expanded slightly beyond the PDF for clarity. Yeah, it's okay. And Cloud has some suggestions for me. Do you want a certification at the end? Do you want to tweak the tone or length? Or add a final cumulative quiz? Let's add a certificate for completion. And while Cloud is working, let's look at the course together. Let me share my browser. So there are 6 modules. It's great. The thumbnails are great. Cloud is pinging me again, but I will look after we explore the course. So course seems great, but modules are a bit short, and I like this image. It's really great. Let's look at the another module. I believe the modules are short because my PDF just consists 10 page. It expands, but we need to say explicitly because my actually input it's not very comprehensive, but I like the images really. So let's see what class says to me. Yeah, it says I add a certificate, but let me give feedback for the course. Modules are very short. I know PDF has 10 pages, but use your knowledge to make modules a bit more comprehensive. let's give the feedback and continue with the videos actually I created before the webinar, and let me show you them. So I added videos to first and third lesson of first module. Let's watch them together. I just set my AI tool to create 2 videos for my course. Let's see what it generated.
Prefer to watch? Here's a quick tour of everything this course covers in about a minute. You'll learn 3 things end to end: the marketing funnel that turns strangers into loyal customers, the channels you'll use to reach them, and the metrics that tell you what's actually working. And you won't just read about it, you'll practice. There are 5 hands-on activities: a drag and drop, a decision simulator, interactive hotspots, a timed quiz, and a flip card deck. It's 3 short modules, about 45 minutes in total, with a certificate waiting when you finish. This is Digital Marketing Foundations. Let's get started.
Yeah, this video is great. I guess it's for
Prefer to watch?
people or learners who prefer to watch instead of reading the text. So let's look at the other video on my course.
Here's the one idea that organizes every marketing decision you'll make: the marketing funnel. It maps how a stranger becomes a loyal customer in 4 stages: awareness, where they discover you; consideration, where they weigh their options; conversion, where they buy; and retention, where they keep coming back. Notice how the audience narrows at every step and how each stage needs its own kind of tactic. So here's the one rule to remember: match the tactic to the stage. Use a discount where people are ready to buy, not on strangers who have never heard of you.
Yeah, this video is great also. So as far as I believe, Cloud is still working to make our modules more comprehensive. So let me show you a different course I created today, and it's related with human body system. I asked my AI tool to create interactive 3D activities for that courses. So let's explore them. The first one is interactive 3D skeleton explorer. It's rotating itself. I can scroll for zooming, and it's actually make color when I discovered the parts of body. And after I discovered, it's asked me some questions. I also created same interactive activities for eye and muscular system. Let's look at them together. There's also an eye here, and you can explore the cornea. There's a short description here: iris, pupil, etc. Let's look at the muscular system. I just tell Cloud generate these. I won't give any feedback, so you can actually make better interactive 3D explorer better than me. I also can explore the muscles. It's great for learning. And after that, there's a quiz. So let's look at our course, what Cloud did and while we exploring the other parts. So it's expanded the first 5 module. Let's wait for the final module and look at the course together. It's saying that the course now totals 31 content lesson and 26 quiz questions. It's great. Let's look at the course. It's here, same course, same modules. But let's look at the lessons inside of modules. It has actually 3 more lessons in the course. Let's look at the other modules together. Yeah, it's more comprehensive one. We have many lessons with different type of blocks. So let me go to the cloud again and ask an interactive activity so we can see together and refine it together. Could you add an interactive activity for, actually, let's say, to the second module? Suggest me activity types so I can select one. Let's wait what it will suggest. Also, while we are waiting, Cloud, let me tell you other things our MCP can do. You can list your courses, you can edit them, you can delete some modules, lessons if you want. It's suggesting me right now. Let's say an matching game, it's great for that topic. Also, the generating interactive activity can take some time. So I will show you another thing. I have a blog draft actually in my Notion and I want to convert it to course. So when I share the blog, I can attach a course at the end of it and I can say my readers, you can take the course if you want to see if you really learn from the blog. So let me create a new session. I forgot actually if I connect my Notion MCP. Yeah, it's here. So I will just say I have a Notion page called accessibility blog. As far as I remember, its name is generate that page to a course. So as you see, you can connect other tools you use from your course generation part, connect with them mini course generator and bring their knowledge, content and information to mini course generator. Let's wait if it can find the page. It found the page. It's now fetching its full content. It's read the full blog content. I guess it will ask some questions to me. Let's say single module, it's okay. And include just AI images because we don't have much time. No, we don't need a certificate. Let's look at our other chat with Cloud. It's generating the activity right now. Let's wait and see. Let me also check if the other course generation is start. It previews the interactive activity. It's created. It's great. It says I have everything I need. Let's wait a bit more. Yeah, for the interactive activity, it's still creating. It generates the activity and put the score zip to mini course generator at the moment. While we are waiting, let me actually show you what my Notion blog looks like. So it's here. It's like accessibility guide for online course creators. So I guess Claudius finished its job. Let's look what it did. Yeah, our activity is here. Let's look at it. It's in the second module. And let's see. Yeah, it's some component and the learner needs to match component with their definitions. So let me try. So let me select this and this. Let me just randomize select so we can see. Yeah, it's very bad actually for me. No worries. Also, the beauty part, I can see my learners' answers in my analytics report for each interactive activity. Let's look at also course it created from Notion and close the webinar. It's also here. Let me open this. It's a one module course and I don't want any activity for that course, but it really follows the structure of my Notion page. Why accessibility matters? I have a part for that. Why online course accessibility matters? It's really use my Notion page for creating the course. And there are some AI generated images as always and quizzes for each section. It's great. So I guess our time is done. Let me see the chat. So if you have any question. I guess Umit has answered all the questions. Let's wait for a minute. I hope you liked the demo. You're welcome, Luis. All right, so that's the demo from connecting to MCP to a published course with interactive activities, 3D models, and AI generated videos, all of them built by an AI agent. I also add the links of the course, the video description, and we probably send an email regarding all the information about this webinar. Thanks for watching again. I hope that gave you a clear picture of what's possible. If we didn't get your question at that time, or if something comes up later, please reach us at support@minicoursegenerator.com or reach out to me personally from Eren@minicoursegenerator.com. We are always happy to help. Thanks again, everyone.